Hello, this is Off-Road Cowboy Fabrication, and since the first video was a tour of my Jeep, I thought I'd give you a tour of my small two-car garage that everything has been built in. So on this side, we got the Jeep. The 5.2 liter 318 Mopar that's going to go inside of it. My workbench, my lathe, small, but it works, gets the job done. My mill, it's also small, but gets the job done, and it's definitely nice having a DRO. I have all of the drivetrain components, working on the plate that goes on the input for the 203 range box. There's the 205, the 435, the other plates that will get worked on later. My blacksmith vise, my Grizzly Tools tent sail sandblaster, my shop-made hydraulic, air-over hydraulic vise, or excuse me, not vise, press. My MIG welder, small plasma cutter, my air compressor that's been modified to dry the air, works great. And then I also added on the back here a cooler, which takes most of the water out before it even gets to the tank, which is great. My hidden oven for doing some powder coating. My welding table and fab table. A little more view of around the shop here. So I hope that answers any questions about where I'm going to be building and fabbing up all this stuff. If you have any other questions, please comment below and please subscribe. Thank you.